Hey YouTube family, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to our daily hacking news series. Hit the like button to give a shout out to our team. So before starting, we are having one question for you. In case if there will be any cyber war between US and Russia, then what do you think will be going to win? So share your answer in the comment section and we'll give you a shout out in the next video. Now let's get right into the video. So first news is coming from China and related to Russia. So in the first for a major Chinese tech company, drone maker DJI Technology, announced on Tuesday that it will temporarily suspend business in both Russia and Ukraine. In a canned statement, DJI said that the DJI is intentionally raising compliance requirements in the various jurisdictions. Pending the current review, DJI is temporarily suspending all business activity in Russia and Ukraine. We are engaging with customers, partners, and other stakeholders regarding the temporary suspension of business operations in the affected territories. So, what do you think? What will the major reason for this kind of action from the side of DJI companies? Please comment it down. Now, the next news is related to a new scam. So, a new scam utilizes AI generated images to represent fake law forms. So, it may seem like a story straight out of a Hollywood script, but it is indeed true that scammers are using AI generated image to scam people. And according to Ben Dixon of Tech Talks, he received an email from a law firm's attorney which turned out to be fake, and surprisingly, the sender didn't even exist. So this is a kind of deepfake technology. I hope you all know. If you don't know, then comment it out. Now next news related to some global surveillance. So in the month leading up to Russia invasion of Ukraine, two accused American startups meant to discuss a potential surveillance partner that would merge the ability to track the movement of the billions of people via their phone with constant stream of data purchased directly from Twitter. According to Braden Clark of Anomaly 6 or A6, the combination of its cell phone location tracking technology with the social media surveillance provided by Signal Labs would permit the US government to effortlessly spy on Russian forces as they ambushed along the Ukraine border, or simply track Chinese nuclear submarines. So to prove that the technology works, Clark pointed A6 power inward, spying on the National Security Agency and CIA using their own cell phone against them. Now the last news is coming from Germany. So German wind turbine giant Deutsche Wind Technique announced that some of its systems were hit by a targeted professional cyber attack earlier this month. The cyber attack took place during the night between April 11 and April 12. The company switched off remote data monitoring connection to the wind turbines for security reasons. The connection were resumed 2 days later. The company pointed out that turbine or wind turbine did not suffer any damage and will never in danger. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, comment on your feedback. Subscribe this YouTube channel because we are bringing hacking news on daily basis. So at last, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.